them busy, Leon.
Yeah, keep them busy. Less I have to deal with the better. Hello everyone, Barbie Jester here, and today I'm going to be carrying on with Resident Evil 4. So, let's get on with it. Carry on with separate ways. Search the house, alright.
Hope there's a lead on Luis here.
I need a key. I need a key. Where would the key be? A grenade. How many of those have we got now? 5? Ooh. Alright. What's this?
At least their holy book looks interesting.
More gunpowder. What can I craft? Submachine gun ammo. And gun ammo. Alright. I'm okay for now though. I'm okay for now. More gunpowder.
I can't leave empty-handed.
Okay. No one in here taking a shit. No.
This could use some cleaning.
Bloody hell. I'm not cleaning that. That's someone else's job. Okay, it's too quiet. Been through this before. Don't like it when it's quiet. There'll be something else around here. Here we go. What's this? Ooh. An extravagant clock. I would take it. I'll take that as well. Hell yeah. What's that?
What have we here?
We have the key. Mine. Some machine gun ammo. Oh crap. God damn it. Not leaving an herb. That is not happening. That is not happening. Grab some of that. And now I can grab it. Notice I got a few more subscribers, by the way. Slowly climbing. Got a lot of views for the last one as well. I did not expect it. But there's more views than there is people clicking the old subscribe. If you click the subscribe button, I'll know people are actually interested in this. And I'll carry it on. I'll keep carrying it on for you guys. Ooh. What's this? Brothers and sisters, our Lord is displeased. If you want to read the rest, carry on. Oh, that's it. Alright. Okay. Okay, so we got to go down there. To the abandoned factory. Now, like I said, I'll keep dishing out these videos for you guys. What the fuck? No, I'm not fighting him. No, that was Leon's job. That is not my job. No. No, 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 no. I'm off. There is an escape and I'll freaking find it. No! Mate! No! No! Not happening! Oh, you shot just as I clicked the goddamn button. Get me out! Up yours. Still coming for me. No. No! Don't you dare! Leave me alone! Get away! No! Oh, fucking hell! Just as I saw it! Shit! Oh, just as I saw the bloody thing go run into it. God damn it. Oh. Bloody hell. Alright.
Still after me.
Oh, crap. Okay, just keep going, just keep going. You're fine. You're fine. Get me out!
Looks like I gave them the slip.
How? I don't know. Can't believe I run into a frigging bomb. Shit. Just as I saw the wire, I run into it. God damn it. I need to buy a first aid off you. That's for damn sure. What's this? Jacket of all trades. Some grubby thief has stolen a jacket, one of those nice sheepskin leather ones. Think you can get it back? Okay, if I come across it, I will...
I've got some new items in stock. Come take a look.
If I come across it, I will grab it.
Welcome, stranger.
Hello
I've
there.
got something new for you, mate.
Shotgun? Ammo capacity.
Every once in a while.
I don't know.
Make the difference between life
I could do the power with that.
Try that on for
There's my rifle. Ammo capacity. Yeah, why not?
Thank you. Do check out my wares again soon.
If I'm alive, I will. Oh, I'll take that. Shotgun.
Got something.
What the hell? Interactive retinal inquiry system will allow you to see clues that are almost invisible to the naked eye. Oh, okay.
Must be the big guys.
No, I've had enough of the big man. Thank you very much. Through there then. Alright. Oh, for God's sake. I'm going to have to leave it. I am too full. I bought too much shit. I did not see that bloody bear trap, I'll be honest with you. I just stopped because he was there. I would have walked into that. I'm going to leave that. Let someone run into it if they come my way. Oh, here we go. Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. Come on. This way. Come on, mate. Bit closer. Dumbass. Alright. How did I miss him from here? Good God. Get out of the way. No, not today, mate. Not today. Oh, the jacket. Oh, yes. Okay. Next time I see the old merchant, I will take it back. More gunpowder. A red herb. Oh, son of a bitch. Hang on. Can I? Yes, there I can. There you go. Mate. Where are these bloody footprints leading me? I don't like this. Why is there always a bloody basement?
Hope he's down here.
Okay. You're not going to get up, are you, mate? No? You're going to stay there. Stay there. Whoa. What the hell?
Good.
No, it's not good. Oh, for God's sake. I need a bigger case. That's really what I should start thinking about. Is getting a bigger case off the merchant. Okay, give me that. Okay. Oh. That with that. There you go. Hell yeah! My case. There is just no room. I have 2 spaces left. That's it. The hell? I don't trust that. I really don't trust that.
All inside. These belong to Louise. Did Louise do this?
Okay, I don't think he's going to get up. That's the one Leon and Luis killed then. I remember. I remember. Alright, now what? Where are these footprints going? Okay. Oh, there you go. Alright.
Is this his frequency?
I knew you'd find me.
That's my job. Are you about ready to hand over the amber?
There's a big house just outside the village, past the windmill. You know it.
Yeah, I know it.
Then I'll meet you here. I'll be waiting.
Okay then, I'm gonna meet Luis. Oh shit, are you kidding me? Nah, mate. Oh my god.
Luis, might be a while.
Now, there's one down. Come in, mate. And that's another one. The hell? Am I hearing things? Oh, there they are. Alright. Get out the way. Stay down. Right, where are your friends? There's some chainsaw dudes around here. And I want to know where they are. Oh, shit. Alright, alright. Coming in, mate. Got a present for you. That's one. Two. One more. Is that enough? Is that enough? No, it's not. No! Ah! Shit! Shit! No! God damn it! Mate, will you die? Oh, okay. This man is using every one of my bullets. Okay, let's try the sniper. Try the sniper. Cock shot! Oh God! Mate. This is not the man to mess around with. It really isn't. Jesus, man. Oh God, oh God. No! Okay, shotgun. Why won't you die? Mate, seriously. Oh! What's he doing? Is he dead? Jesus, man. What am I hearing now? Is that him still? Are you actually dead or are you getting back up? Alright. God damn it. He just would not die. I need to upgrade these weapons as soon as I have some more money. Oh shit, I've just realised there was another chainsaw in that cutscene. Damn it. I shot you! Bullshit! I put one of these right in your face. No, there she is! Oh God! Alright, grenade, grenade. 1. 2. 3. And just keep blasting the bitch. No, not the time to load! God damn it. Yeah, go that way. Keep going that way. Oh! Okay. Why do you have to be so fucking tough? Let me over here. I could just keep doing this, bitch. Oh man. Okay, that one was easier. So I could just keep hopping over this. Oh, thank God for grenades. Holy shit. What the hell? Hold it then. Alright.
Having a bad day.
Wesker, to what do I owe this pleasure?
Stop wasting my time, Ada. Find Lewis. Fetch me the amber.
I should probably thank you for this room. Are you staying? Back me up.
I'm not here to babysit you. See that you remain an asset, not a liability. I've absolutely no use for your incompetence.
Easy with the threats, Wesker.
Just get it done. I'll be in touch.
You're okay. I've been waiting and you're still coming, right?
Yes, just had some business to attend to. I'm on my way now.
Got it. See you soon. Ciao.
I'm back in that big man's house again. Okay, so I've got to go up here. Oh God. Where'd the big man go? God damn it. Okay, let me have a look at this map. So he wouldn't let me go through here this time, so can I go through now? Yes, I can. In the rain. Graphics in this game is amazing. Really is. What's the point of coming out here? Oh, what's that? I see that. Yes. Oh. That's why I like looking around. Red herb, mine. Anything else around here? Oh, a chicken.
Fly, my pretty.
An egg. Yes. Fly, my pretty. No, fry. That's what we're going to have. Fried chicken. Come here. Got to be this way, right? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay.
Good luck.
Okay. Catch. And boot! God damn. So glad about flash grenades. I really am. It's getting dark. Or darker, should I say. Oh, here we go. Back to the light. Okay, through here. What is that? The outsider is in the villa. Assemble the village. Awaken our great child. Okay. Whatever the hell that means. Merchant. Oh yes, merchant. I got some shit for you. I found a jacket.
Got some new wares, stranger. You're in for a treat.
Oh no, mate. I'm just looking around. Make sure I haven't missed anything.
Well, that's our choice to make. Well done, stranger. Well, look at you, mate.
will be upgrading some more weapons off you, mate. Don't you worry about that. But that will have to wait for another time, people, because I am going to leave it there. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, maybe think about subscribing. If you do, it shows that you're interested in what I'm doing, and like I said, I'll just keep bashing these videos out for you guys as long as you want me to. I really will. So I'm going to leave it there today, people. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you later.